Okay, this is the start of the actual work. So I'm going to try to more or less get every step of the process, but I can't promise that this is how it's going to go going forward because I don't know how difficult it's going to be to edit all this. But the first thing is to disconnect the battery and jack the car up. So alright, so next is removing or draining the radiator. So this thing, I believe, right there. Okay, I haven't drained the radiator fluid yet, but what I'm doing is I'm going to remove this fan shroud along with these tubes, but hopefully everything will be attached and I can just remove it all, I think. Hopefully. Oh. That's surprisingly easy. Interesting. Alright, where should I put this? Put it there for now. I guess I can remove the lower one. Yeah, I'll remove the lower one. Okay, so let's see. I just removed the fan shroud and kind of assessing what I need to do next. I believe I need to loosen all the belts, take them off, remove this, whatever this thing is, this fan assembly. Remove these hoses, which are the radiator hoses or whatever. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove this alternator belt. I replaced this alternator. This is an aftermarket. Okay, so I'm going to drain the radiator fluid. I can't take this off. That's why. Okay. Stop. All right, so I'm still draining the radiator fluid, and I'm gonna remove these hoses. So this is an 8 mil. Okay. right. Not that bad. Yep. Okay, so I just took off the radiator hoses, and now what I'm going to do is take off some of these belts. It's the air pump, I believe, and then that runs also the fan, and then this, oh, it looks like it's worn a little bit. This is a brand new belt, but anyways, this is the alternator. So you need, I think 17 and 13. That's basically. Huh. Oh, these bolts are loose. Let's loosen that. Probably, right? Probably should. Stupid. Oh, right. Why is there so much tension on that bad boy? There's this. Okay, so hopefully this will come out on video. This is a trick that I realized when I tried to get these brand new belts on. It was extremely tight. So I got them on by actually turning the engine and kind of like looping the belt on. If you, it's just not enough play, or I guess I'm just not strong enough to pull it off or work it off. So what I do is I turn the engine clockwise, and then just kind of work this out. Like, hopefully that'll come out on video. That belt is off now. Ooh, there's 3. Set. Alright, so that belt is off. I got the belts off, and I'm going to take the fan off. It's this assembly right here. Oh, I need a shorter thing. Man, I hope you can see that. I gotta take this hose off too. I like to try to put the bolts back so I don't have to keep track of them. But I may have to remove these. Anyways, I'm gonna take off this hose. What was that? What does that look like? Take this thing off. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it at this point and edit the video